Hi everyone. In this video we'll be looking at question number 25 from 2020 HSC Standard Maths exam. This question came from the topic of shapes and specifically asking about the area. These kind of questions are generally very easy to score marks as long as you can visualize and break down shapes into different sub-shapes. So let's go to this question. What you asked is to calculate the surface area for this shape that's in front of you, as easy as it is. So let's take this out. And the way you need to think about this again is breaking this big shape into smaller shapes. Let's look at this first. This one, 8 by 8, 8 and 8. So it's a square, right? There must be another square at the back of it, right? And then there is, this is 8 and this is 8 as well because they are same. So one at the back, one here, one on the other side, 4, and one is underneath, 5. So there are 5 squares. So area of square is 8 square. That's how you calculate the area. Multiply the two sides. And because there are 5 of them, you're gonna multiply it by 5. That's one part of it. Then coming here, there is a triangle here, and there is also, if there is one triangle here, there must be another one at the back as well. So there are 2 triangles. So the area of triangle is half times base times height. So we need to figure out what this value is from starting from here, and then going until here. We know that the total value from here all the way up is 11, and we know that this part is 8. So if you subtract this from total 11, we can work this much out. So 11 minus 8 is 3, so this would be 3. Okay. Base would be 8 because this is 8, so this would be 8 as well. So now we know both of the things to calculate the area. So half multiplied by base multiplied by height. Because there are 2 triangles, one at the back, so we multiply it by 2. Now that's all done. Then there is one final step that is to do with the roof. So this one is a rectangle. This is height is 5 centimeter. This width is 8 centimeter. So the formula for rectangle is width time length or height. So 5 multiplied by 8. But there are 2 of these. One is here, one on this side. So you need to multiply it by 2 as well. So the area is 5 times 8. Multiply them by 2. Now you sum all of these up. Then you'll get the total surface area, which would be 424 centimeter square.